The father of Colleen Garcia Crawford is grateful to authorities for apprehending the suspect behind the killing of the actress Step-On. In a phone interview with ABS-CBN News, Jose Garcia said the family considered the suspect arrest as somewhat of a Christmas gift. It's sad to say pero parang Christmas gift na rin na nahuli na agad yung tao. Jose Garcia said in a phone interview with ABS-CBN News. We are at peace dahil first of all nasa kulungan na siya. The threat of knowing that he is still out there is gone already, diba? So right now the family is in a state of recovery, he added. Colleen Garcia's step-aunt, Canes Monica Semeng, was recently found dead after sustaining over 15 stab wounds at a house in Antipolo City. Police arrested the suspect in Mandaluyong City on Christmas Eve. The suspect claimed that he was under the influence of alcohol when he committed the crime. Jose said the family is now focused on moving on from the incident. The members of the family, nakakahinga na ng mabuti. Now the other thing that they're looking forward to is moving on na. The family is basically grateful for the speedy process of the arrest, he said.